Alex Midler. Alex is from Southern California, Los Angeles, 23 years old. Absolute smoking hot ripper.
I'm stoked to see Midler out there. Alex is just plain old one of the gnarliest skateboarders on the planet right now.
Yeah, he's pushing the boundaries of a lot of the bigger kind of kink rail combinations and things like that. Pushing that envelope. Alex is a guy, he skated in a lot of contests growing up. He knows the drill. Nice backside 360 nose blunt. He's no stranger to having to put lines together, for example. Nice backside 360 lip. And he's good at it. Ripping backside tail slide. Nose grind transfer back.
I love that. That was a nice way to utilize the course.
Yeah, or not transfer. I guess it was just a hop back in, right? Going in switch. No, fakie, cablet. Beautiful.
That's like that's the trick now.
Yeah, we've seen a lot of the caballerial backside lips.
All right, 5.5 for Alex Midler.
Let's see where Alex is gearing up.
All right, waiting for Alex Midler.
Midler on the top of the quarter pipe.
Is he okay?
Coming in at the rail.
Going for that nollie cab.
There on attempt number 1.
For attempt number 2.
There's that nollie cab. Now the judges have seen that trick quite a bit.
7.9, good score.
There you have it for Midler.
Oh my goodness! Way to take it to another level. Caballerial to backside tail slide fakie.
That was huge. 7.8, I think he's getting the 7.8 on that.
So Midler down.
That was great. So 7.9 on that last one. Where are the judges gonna go? And an 8.7, yes, Midler now up in 7th place. Mark Suchu down in 9th, and Felipe Mota on the bubble.
Oh!
All right, so his low score is a 5.5. Definitely outdid that with the 270 back nose blunt. Or 270 nose.
Clear.
All right. And look at that, an 8.2 puts Alex Midler in 2nd place. Wow.